Hello everyone from a sunny Sweden today. I've been really lucky. Ingmar has made me a bunch of really exclusive canvas frames with some leftover materials at his work. So I've been stretching my cotton canvas on some of them. And that leaves me with these small leftover pieces with the canvas. So I thought I should use them for something. And I don't know if you know that it's been a lot of focus on my jewelries for a while. I was so lucky that I got a permanent shelf in a local craft store here in the community. So I've been producing and installing it, and also working 2 times already in the store. So it's been less painting for me for a while, but I need a lot of jewelries, so this pouring that I do is only with the intention of becoming jewelries. So what I did, I just took a wooden board and dressed it with this little piece of canvas, and I have made a small open cup for this pour, and making a dirty cup with also some leftover paints. In every color there is a small amount of color shift colors, because I think those are so exciting. So I try to use the colors as close to the shade of the color shift, so it wouldn't mix up so much. So okay, I leave it up to you. Maybe I will show more of my jewelries in one demo later. So for now, take care everyone, and thank you for watching and everything you do for my channel. Let's keep it going, because I won't stop even if I'm not been able to paint as much as I normally do. I will return more often, I think. So for now, have a good weekend, and hope you all are doing good. So take care, and bye bye for now.